Bueno, sa wakas ay natin na tayo sa huling laban. Ang huling bahagi ng palaro ng kabilang daigdig ay narito na. At ito ay isang malaking laban. Malalaman natin kung sino ang kampiyon ng palaro dito sa laban na ito. Sino kayang mananalo?
สวัสดีครับคนเลวมาแล้วครับคนเลวมาพัทยาแก้เหงาผมขอลาแก้ผ้าผมขอทีได้เปล่าขอทีได้เปล่าขอทีได้เปล่าขอ
Now why y'all worry about the fuck I do? I'ma let y'all know when the fuck I'm through. Like, they like the way I grind, they like the way I play.
Me and that boy are dun dun dun. I'm too wet, let me squeeze in my dun dun duns. Go out and have fun dun dun. Pick it up, put down, can't touch my dun dun dun. Me and that boy are dun dun dun. I'm too wet, let me squeeze in my dun dun duns. Go out and have fun dun dun. Pick it up, put down, can't touch.
Of course naman dito, boy. Ako naman very grateful naman ako sa cast namin ng series namin ngayon and very, very much pleased ako sa mga naging resulta, sa mga naging yan. Ha?
It's gonna be big and loud when they fall down. They're gonna fall big and they're gonna fall down. They're gonna fall big.
Where are the children? Are they in the same place as the employees?
No.
Are the children safe?
Yes.
Ah, can I see them?
No.
And that was it. That's all he'd tell me. Probably because he knew I'd kill them all.
The world needs my beauty. No matter how many times they try to rid me of the world because of their jealousy, I will always come back. The world.
Ito na nga, tinulungan niya ako, alisin yung damestra ko, tas nagulat ako bigla nang ginawakan ang shitty pirate ko with matching smile. Sabi niya, lagi daw niya akong wina-watching television na naglalakad pa uwi, tas tinanong niya ako kung G daw ako. Tapos di pa ako maka-response due to culture shock. Inorpap niya na ako. Kahit sleeping child pa yung shitty pirate ko, syempre di ba lanin niya na, this baka maging bato pa.
两袖清风走，一阴一阳只为道，仔细东来。
Pose with me as Jollibee.
Grabe, Diyos Maria Jose. Ma, sabi mo na-start ka lang mag-make-up in January. So, niloloko mo ba ako? Kasi, ano bakit umaalis, no? Hindi na pa ako nakakaramdam ng kaba. Yung kabang parang, Yuhu! Sabay-sabay tayo! Yuhu! Ganda ng pyesa. Sabi ko sa inyo drag is what? Political!
nararamdaman. Isa lamang akong babaeng umiibig ng tunay.
Pero na akin yun eh.
Pero sa'yo na.
Thank you.
Palakpakan everyone for our host, Con Bo.
Sabay-sabay tayo!
Like, gonna be transparent with you all. I collaborated with Cat's Eye. As in, Pili to, as in, no heso? No heso!
Suvelo? Period! Suvelo!
Jack Hughes, Walang respeto eh. Walang respeto eh. Nakain yung tao, mo order kayo dyan. Table mo, table 4. Oo. May only... Anong only rice? Mukha bang mang inasal binebenta ko? I think it's something na we all have to... Greedy! Okay. Oh my God! Aizuki! Wait lang. Parang nasa dulo ng dila ko. Ayun, nakita ko na. Thank you po! Oh, kakagawa. Cosplay Jollibee. At hindi ko pa ba ginagawa? Mga Pilipino ay madaming pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Iba't ibang delubyo, korupsyon, at kahit ano pang pagkakasama ng gobyerno. At ang Pilipino, hindi nabibigo ng ganon-ganon lang. Natutumba, totoo. Pero tayo ay laging tumatayo. Gusto nyo na ba makita si Jollibee? Eto na! Ang bida, ang saya! Si Jollibee! Taas ang kamay! Taas ang kamay! Okay, Amat! Ay, thank you po, Yazechi. Namin, madami kayong mararamdaman kasi, like, galit, kaba, at kilig.
Swerte mo ako, bibigyan, ingatan, pag-ibig na isang kakaibay, 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 kakaibay.